CVS Part 5. In this lecture, we'll talk about the arterial blood circulation to the all organs. Here is the ascending aorta and the descending aorta, the arch of aorta and the abdominal aorta. Now talk about the arch of aorta. We have the brachiocephalic trunk and the left common carotid artery and left subclavian artery. Brachiocephalic trunk has two main branches like the right subclavian artery and the right common carotid artery. The second part of the arch of aorta is the left common carotid artery. Then the abdominal aorta is divided into two common iliac arteries, left and the right. Common iliac artery is branched into the external iliac artery and the internal iliac artery. So we have two external iliac artery, one on the left, one on the right, and two internal iliac artery, one on the left, one on the right. Now talk about the ascending aorta. Ascending aorta gives two branches, left coronary artery and the right coronary artery, that supply to the heart. The aortic arch gives three branches like the brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery and the left subclavian artery. Brachiocephalic trunk is divided into further two branches, right subclavian artery and the right common carotid artery. Two common carotid arteries are further divided into external carotid and into the internal carotid artery. Left and right external carotid arteries supply to the face area, and the right and left internal carotid arteries supply to the brain. Now talk about the subclavian arteries and its branches. We know we have two subclavian arteries, right subclavian artery and the left subclavian artery. Subclavian artery gives the vertebral artery, internal thoracic artery, thyrocervical trunk and the costocervical trunk. So we have these branches on the left side and the right side. Subclavian artery itself continues as the axillary artery and further continue as the brachial artery. Brachial artery divides into the ulnar artery and the radial artery. Left and right vertebral artery goes to the brain to form the circle of Willis. So left and right internal carotid artery and the left and right vertebral arteries supply the major part of the brain. Thyrocervical trunk supplies the thyroid gland and the costocervical trunk supply the ribs. Now talk about the branches of the descending aorta. Here is the ascending aorta, aortic arch and the descending aorta. It gives branches like the bronchial arteries that supply the lungs and the bronchi areas, the pericardial arteries that supply the pericardium, mediastinal arteries that supply the mediastinal area, esophageal arteries that supply the esophagus, and the superior phrenic artery that supplies some part of the diaphragm. Talk about the abdominal aorta. On the ventral side we have the three main branches like the celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery and the inferior mesenteric artery. It gives four lateral branches. Number 1, inferior phrenic artery. Number 2, middle suprarenal artery. Number 3, renal artery. Number 4, gonadal artery. Inferior phrenic artery supplies the diaphragm. Middle suprarenal artery supplies some part of the adrenal gland. Renal arteries supply the kidneys and some part of the adrenal glands. Gonadal arteries supplies the gonads. Talk about the celiac trunk. It gives three branches like the left gastric artery, splenic artery and the common hepatic artery. Common hepatic artery gives branches like the right gastric artery, gastroduodenal artery. Now it is called as the hepatic artery proper. It gives branches left hepatic artery and the right hepatic artery. Right hepatic artery gives a cystic artery. Left hepatic artery and the right hepatic artery supply to the liver. The cystic artery supply to the gallbladder. Splenic artery gives small pancreatic arteries that supply to the pancreas, and it gives splenic artery proper that supply the spleen. The other branches of the splenic artery are the short gastric arteries that supply to the stomach. We know that small pancreatic arteries supply to the all parts of the pancreas except the head of pancreas. That is all about this lecture. Thank you very much. Take care. Stay blessed.